In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes after a call in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've just wrapped up a phone conversation and want to capture what was discussed, Pipedrive makes it quick to attach your notes directly to the call record. Keeping these notes in the right place helps your team stay aligned and makes follow-ups easier. First, head to Activities on the left sidebar. This is the hub where your calls, meetings, and tasks live. You'll see a list view showing your recent and upcoming activities. You'll find it in the main navigation on the left. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it to reveal the labels. From that list, locate the finished call you want to add notes to. Finished calls are already completed, so they'll appear alongside other past activities. Clicking the correct call ensures your notes get linked to the exact interaction. If you don't see the call right away, use the filters at the top right. Choose this week or pick a date range that covers when the call was originally scheduled. Expanding that time window is often all it takes for the call to appear in the list, especially if it took place earlier than your default view. If your team spans time zones, remember the schedule is shown in your local time, so widen the range by a day if needed. Once you spot the call, click it to open the Details pane on the right. This panel slides out with all the key information, such as the subject, time, and any existing details tied to the call. Now enter your notes in the yellow text field. This is the dedicated area for call summaries, so keep your notes clear and actionable. Consider capturing the main outcome of the conversation, any commitments made, key objections or questions, and the next step you plan to take. Short, scannable sentences work best and make it easy for teammates to get up to speed. Aim for specifics, avoid vague phrases, and use consistent wording your team recognizes. When you're done, click Save to confirm your changes. Saving locks in your updates so they're accessible on the call record, as well as from related places like the person or deal timeline. If you navigate away before saving, your changes won't stick, so it's always worth that one extra click. You may also notice a quick confirmation or the updated text showing immediately, and that's it. By going to Activities, finding the finished call, opening its details, typing your notes in the yellow field, and saving, you'll keep your pipeline accurate and your follow-ups sharp. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher the next time you add notes after a call in Pipedrive.